In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add images inside of Miro. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So there are actually two different ways in how we can add images into Miro. So the first way we can do it is by going over to the left hand side and looking for all these different options. And we just want to go to this one, which is upload. And when we click on that, we have a few different options. So here we can upload images or videos from any of these places. But if you had them saved to your PC, you can simply just click my device and you can just choose whichever image you like. And it now gets uploaded into Miro. So the second way of adding images into Miro is by just simply dragging them in. So if you had them on a second monitor or just had them somewhere else, you can simply click them and drag them over. And then when you let go, it will now be added into Miro. So those are the two different ways how you can add images into Miro. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.